Hi folks and welcome to a new video. I hope you're all having a good new year. I hope basically everybody hopes that 2021 will be better than the last year, but I don't want to go into that today. Today I want to talk about why I am replacing my 2020, as you can see here, my 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch with the M1 processor, and there is one simple reason for that. The last couple of days I've thought about it. Do I really need the MacBook Pro compared to the MacBook Air? And I think you guys already have a thought where this is going to be. Just for your understanding, I'm mainly using this machine here. That's a Windows machine for working. I already have Visual Code open. The simple reason is because in my work I really heavily focus on Windows related software. So I'm using here a Ryzen 3900X. It's a 12-core CPU. That's great. 64 gigabytes of RAM and a 2 terabyte SSD, a second SSD with a 500 gig storage and a 3 terabyte hard disk drive. So this machine will probably last me the next 2, 3, 4 years. And this particular machine is going back to Apple. As you guys know, I am heavily tested this machine in the last days or in the last month, to say so, but it's going back, and mainly is because of the price. Like you, I watched many videos, comparisons between the MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro, and I really thought that the price difference here in my country is 300 euros, which is 340 US dollars, I guess. So the main difference are 300 euros in my country, and that's not worth it. Yeah, the MacBook Air, it do have no fan, slightly not so bright display, but many people say they don't notice it anyways, and it has 7 GPU cores instead of the 8 in this machine. But really, that's not the reason why I would stick with this one. So I am actually downgrading the first time in my life to the MacBook Air, and I'm really looking forward. The only problem is the MacBook Air, I ordered it yesterday. It will take, I guess, 3 weeks to arrive from Apple, because they are so much back in the orders, because there are so many of those orders, because you really can get a really powerful machine with about 1,000 US dollars, pounds and euros, paid 1,006 euros for the MacBook Air in Space Gray as well. So this is going back, guys. Yeah, and in 3 or 4 weeks I should get a new machine. Just for the configuration, I got the baseline MacBook Air. Of course, if there are any things that I can test for you guys, I will test it on the new MacBook Air, just to give you an example how the very baseline Mac operates and works on, yeah, on every program you use. As you know, Docker is now in preview. We get VS Code, we get IntelliJ. Those things are coming up again in the future to work natively on those machines. Alright guys, so it was a very quick update video to just let you know what I'm doing with these machines. The last video was quite a while ago, and as always, please let me know in the comments below if you do have any wishes for future videos. I will gather them, and then in 3 weeks time or so, when the new MacBook Air actually got delivered to me, I will keep up making new videos. I have a lot in the pipeline, specifically for developer, about IDEs and the new machines, working in general. As you guys probably don't know, I do have a blog, patrickschadler.com. I will link in the description below, where I blog about security, programming, coding, authentication, you name it. I'm a huge fan of clean code principles. Also, in the meantime, the last 2 weeks, I bootstrapped a new product, qrmaker.eu is the URL. I will put it down below as well. Basically, you can create an online menu and, yeah, generate a QR code, print them in your restaurant or whatever you want, and then you get access to those menus online. Alright, so that's really the end. Just a quick update from my side, and I will catch you guys in the next one, and see you. Bye.